Hello friends, let's decorate a tree this time. Here I've taken a dry tree and I've taken two colors of kite paper, one orange and one yellow, and two colors of crepe paper, one light and one dark. Here I've taken the lighter one, the kite paper, and I'm going to give a fold to it, the double fold. And here I'm going to cut it in a round shape for the petals. See? Now all together I'm going to fold it again. 1, 2 and 3. The 3 folds. Open it and you will see the fold marks, and cut it over the marks, small cuts, and again from the corner just give a shape of star to each and every petal. Here it will be like this. And now I'm going to paste all the parts from center, and I'm going to give a fold with the fingers and I'm going to paste it all together. See, it will be a bunch. Now with the orange color I'm going to do the same method, folding and cutting in round shape. Again the folds, but now this time I'm going to give a different shape to the petals, a little round from the top, and again some cut marks over the folds. Now on one petal I'm going to paste the yellow one in the center. See, it will be like this. Now with the crepe paper, one color of round and one color of triangle shape. Now we'll be folding it. Just curls. Both the colors. Here I have taken a decorative wire. It is available in drawing material shops. Now I am binding both the parts with the wire tightly from the center and just giving the shape of butterfly. Now cutting all the wings to make it a small. Open the curls and here's your butterfly. Here I have taken shilpkaar, and as you know we have two parts of it. We need to mix it very gently and properly. So mixing both the parts together, and I'm trying to give a shape of bird, beautiful small bird. The body, the head and the beak. See, you can color your birds according to your choice. Here I'm going to paint the tree, giving the brown shade, just to give a fine look. Here I've taken an empty box of ice cream. Now I'm going to cut over the lid. See how it will be. Now I'm going to fold a newspaper, a complete newspaper over the stem and we'll be fixing it in the tub. You can put any weight, sand or any rock according to the weight of your tree. Now coloring the complete box. Now pasting some stones over the lid and giving color shades to my stones. Now assembling of all the parts, the flowers one by one, the butterfly. This is all up to you how you decorate your tree. And finally, my small tiny birds. Here it is done. If you like the video, do like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe Apna Craft. Stay tuned for the next. Bye bye.